All right, so let's kick things off and talk about our course structure and outline. Now, first and foremost, this is a project-based course, and it's for people who want a practical, extremely hands-on and engaging approach to learning Power BI Desktop for business intelligence. Now, along with the course, you're going to have access to a number of different types of resources. You'll get a downloadable PDF ebook that's going to contain all of the course slides, the assignments, the reference materials, and so on. You're also going to have quizzes at the end of each section and assignments throughout. These are to reinforce key concepts and simulate the types of real-world scenarios that data professionals encounter on the job. We've got step-by-step solution videos for each assignment as well. And last but not least, throughout the course, you're going to build an entire professional quality business intelligence dashboard, but we've also provided a complete bonus project at the end to test your abilities and apply the skills that you've developed throughout the course to a brand new data set. Now, shifting gears into our outline here, we've got 6 sections that we're going to dig into, starting with an introduction to Power BI Desktop. We're going to talk about installing the program, walk through the high-level BI workflow, make some comparisons between Power BI and Excel, and so on. And then we're going to start digging into the business intelligence workflow, starting with connecting and shaping data. This is where we'll dig into ETL tools for extracting, transforming, and loading our raw data into Power BI. Section 3 is all about taking those data sources and turning them into a relational data model. In this section, we'll cover all sorts of data modeling foundations and fundamentals like cardinality, normalization, primary and foreign keys, filter flow, and so on. And then once we have our model built, we're going to talk about how to add calculated columns and measures using data analysis expressions, or DAX. This is where we'll talk about the DAX formula syntax, the difference between columns and measures, and we'll review all sorts of common formulas and functions like statistics functions, date and time, text functions, table functions, filter functions, and more. Section 5 is where we're going to bring our data to life. This is where Power BI really shines, and it's where we'll practice applying all sorts of visualization tools like charts, graphs, matrix visuals, interactions, bookmarks, filter panes, and more to create our own custom dynamic dashboard. And then last but not least, we're going to wrap it up with a quick discussion about how to optimize Power BI performance to make sure your reports run quickly and smoothly. So that's our plan of attack. Next up, let's talk about the course project.